Okay, guys, thank you so much for hopping on this live conference call. Please do thank the person that had the guts to invite you to this amazing opportunity. My name is Coach Legend. I'm a vice president here with the company. I've been with the company just a little bit over a year now, and we're doing well over 100,000 in sales. It's the best opportunity that I have came across. So I just want to show you guys exactly what got me so excited about this and why someone invited you to see exactly what we saw. So now this is not for everyone, but please do take a look at this information. It may or may not be for you, and you may not even qualify, but I would like to at least show it from you so you won't say that no one took the time to show this to you. As you guys can see here, the name of the company is FES, which means Financial Education Services. So I'm just going to dive in, just show you guys just some important information, just some keys to financial literacy. So today, this is what you will be learning. What is FES and exactly how to position yourself with the best interest rates, basically how to pay off debt, quicker, guys, because most people are living from paycheck to paycheck. So we really want to change that. And also for those that qualify, how to build a big business from home that, may not even interfere with what you're doing currently. So now this is important if you want to build, a family, a future, if you want to build a huge legacy. So let me show you guys just some data that you guys may not be aware of, guys. About 43 million people have a 599 or lower, guys. That is really bad. That's a lot of people here with bad credit, guys. Half the population, they don't even know their credit score. And most people, if you don't know, that means you don't want to know because it's that bad. People don't even have $500 in savings. Most people are losing their homes and cars due to a lack of 500, guys. And they said people don't even have will, trust, over 58 billion in unclaimed life insurance, guys. That's just ridiculous. And every 2 seconds, guys, an identity theft is being stolen. Wow. They said 2016 Equifax had their largest experience in security breach, guys. It's just getting worse and worse. But guys, just think about this, right? How many people do you know with less than perfect credit? Because prior to seeing this opportunity, my credit was ridiculous. They said that my credit was so bad that a homeless person had a better credit score than me. So which means that if I had bad credit, that the people, my circle of influence actually had bad credit as well. How many people do you know that can even afford an annual vacation, guys? I take about 3 to 5 minimum a year. People that actually need to make some extra income. It's because we were not taught these things about credit, financial literacy. These are the things that we wish we had. So basically, FES, we will teach you guys. We have services that helps protect your identity, your credit, your assets, your family, your finances. Just so you guys know, this company has been around since 2004, guys. That is pretty solid. Headquarters is actually in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We have an A plus with the Better Business Bureau, which is huge, guys. We have over 100% annual sales growth. Guys, not too many companies are growing that fast. It's a debt-free company, and we have had the same key executives since day one, which means that we're very solid. As you can see, these are our two co-founders here, Mike Toloff and Paramel Nayak. Awesome individuals, guys. So our company, the main emphasis is really on credit because your credit is like a vital sign. It really has to be monitored, guys. It does impact your insurance premium interest rate. I did not know that you could be denied the ability to rent, guys. A lot of people can't even rent because of their credit score. Someone reached out to me a few weeks ago. They couldn't even get a promotion because they had to be trusted with company credit cards, and because of their credit score, guys, they couldn't even get promoted. Could you imagine working a job forever and it's time for you to get promoted now because of your credit? It's contingent on your credit, certain promotions. So it's limiting you from growth, which is just crazy. So credit is really the foundation. If you plan on living in the U.S., guys, credit is crucial. Most people, they can't even buy a home, of course. They can't get a credit card. Of course, like I told you, employment. They said that over the course of a lifetime, guys, not having excellent credit will cost you between $200,000 to $1 million, guys. Now that is insane. So this is how your credit score is calculated because I never knew this. So as you can see, the big chunk of it is your payment history, guys. So 35% of that is payment history. A lot of people don't make payments on time, and then 30% is the amount used. So you want to make sure that you keep it under the 30% credit utilization. So if you have $1,000 limit card, 30% of that is 300. So you got to make sure that your balance is 300 or under every single month. 15% is the length of credit history. 10% is new credit, and then the additional 10% is actually the type of credit that's being used. Now, there are a few myths about credit, but just know that our company, any items that are negative or derogatory that's on your credit, our goal is to go out there to get those stuff removed. Forgive me, this is my office phone. There's people calling now for credit. So we actually go through what's called a Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, which was actually approved by Congress. And that is what allows us to, legally dispute the items that's on your credit report. So I'm talking about anything that's inaccurate, erroneous, obsolete, anything such as late payments, charge-off, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax lien collection, short sales, medical bills, anything that is negative, guys. So if it's inaccurate, it's coming off. Just think about how many people have, maybe child support or eviction or repossession or student loans that they may want to, get removed. Guys, trust me, you will definitely thank us later. So we partnered up with United Credit Education Services, and they basically will help you guys leverage your rights to investigate these items because it can be removed. Now, this is, once you sign up, this is what your back office portal will look like. You can actually see your credit score, see where you start at, so you can help, keep track of everything. And you get access to your credit report, which is just amazing. This is just an example of one of our clients. As you can see the items that are being disputed, the items that also got deleted. Imagine if those were you guys. Look at those stuff. Federal government, deleted. Education loan, guys, student loans, deleted. See, a lot of people don't believe these things can be deleted. Again, it's a lack of financial education, so which is why we need these things. So almost a 15-year track record, which is huge. Almost 1 million derogatory items deleted, guys, and tens of thousands of satisfied clients. So you're not the first guinea pig. We have a satisfaction guarantee, guys. Who else do you know can say that? Let me show you guys the different services that we do offer. Because credit repair is our flagship product, but we also have these additional services. Check out this here. You have positive credit builder, because you have to understand that not everybody have negative or derogatory items. Some people, don't have anything on their credit whatsoever. So this is how we're able to help them with trade lines. We have Debt Zero, which is an online debt payoff program. You get access to our credit attorneys in case you have those harassing phone calls or you need someone to show up in court on your behalf. Guys, look at these additional services. You get 24/7 credit monitoring. So you don't have to call support or the agent that got you in to see if we're actually working. You can see when an item got deleted, when your credit score got boosted as well. You also get access to a financial lockbox in case you want to delegate all your financial documents, like the beneficiaries that are on your life insurance, like your logins to your bank accounts. You can give someone that access in case something happens to you guys prematurely. You also get a shopping portal, guys. You can shop online and get a cruise, flights, hotels. They have the best rates. You get LifeLock, guys. Just think about this. LifeLock partnered up with us. That is huge, guys. LifeLock will actually cost you guys over $300 a year, but here it's included in our membership. So if you try to get that a la carte, it will cost you over $300 a year, but here it's included as part of your membership, guys. That is huge. You get all prescription discounts, guys. Amazing deals. You can get your insurance solutions as well. We have health insurance and life insurance as well. You get the MyCare plan, which will help you set up your will and trust. That too will cost you over $200. Again, it's included in your membership. You get the travel portal, and then, guys, we have Credit My Rent. This is just an amazing new program that we have, because if you get evicted, it goes on your credit report. But when you make your monthly rent payment on time, you don't get any credit for that. That doesn't make sense. If someone has a mortgage, it gets reported on their credit report, but when you pay your rent, and that hinders you, it's not reported. So now, guys, we can change that. With this new program we have here, it can actually go back 2 years and actually start reporting your rent, and now you got a new trade line every time you make a payment for your rent, guys. It's just an amazing program. So just so you guys see, coming soon, we got a dental plan, telemedicine, streaming cable, guys. We're just coming up with products that people will need and that can serve the masses better, guys. So you guys cannot be here at a better timing. So let me show you guys, some of our testimonials. Check out this couple here. They said that after having their bankruptcy removed. Guys, check the bankruptcy removed. They were able to purchase a home on a low fixed interest rate. They saved almost $1,000 per month. Could you imagine what you would do differently if you saved almost $1,000 per month? $1,000 per month equates to about $12,000 a year, guys. That's a lot of money. You can actually take that dream vacation. Yvette said after 2 months, her credit score increased to the point that the car insurance premium was lowered by $2,000 per year. That's a lot of savings, guys. And Vinny here, after 45 days, he had a tax lien in foreclosure deleted from his credit reports, guys. 45 days. They're just insane, guys. I know I just said a mouthful. And if you look here at the left, you can see all the different services that we offer. But they said individually, this thing should cost over $10,000 or at least over $400 per month. And guys, guess what? It's only a one-time activation fee of $99 and $89 a month for all the services that I just mentioned. Now, I know that some of you guys want to compare, but just look at this, guys, because you might have heard of Lexington Law, Sky Blue, Credit Repair, all Credit Saint. But just look at FES, guys. We have credit restoration, will trust, power of attorney, credit monitoring, identity theft, debt elimination, and the only one as well with an income opportunity. If you see the asterisk, those companies, that means they charge you additional fees. All of our stuff are included, guys. And what I really like about this company is that the sense of community, how they like to give back. Just so you know, you are doing a great deed. Each time you make your $89 monthly membership payment, $2 of that is donated to the YFL, which is the Youth Financial Literacy Group, guys. So this is how we're able to help educate kids from the ages of 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finance. These are the things that we needed a long time ago. Just here last month, guys, we were in Vegas, and the company actually donated over $250,000 to high school seniors and freshmen, in college, guys, so that they can get these scholarships. Amazing scholarship program, guys. I know that most of you guys just came here for the career opportunity, so I'm just going to dive in it, guys. Like, how many people do you know that can't even control their income? You know, people are finished at 40. This is a very young age, 50 and 5. People are wondering, if they can still retire, guys. But you can, guys. Let me teach you guys something called hybrid marketing, because this is where entrepreneurship meets corporate America, guys. We'll teach you guys about 2 divisions, how to develop corporate accounts and, how to basically build a huge team, guys. The goal here, guys, you really want to have a relationship with these corporate accounts. So I'm talking about mortgage brokers, car dealership, real estate agents, bankruptcy attorneys, and also tax professionals. Let me show you guys exactly how we get paid. Guys, take a moment and look at this. $100 for every referral. There is no limit to the amount of customers that you can acquire. Just so you guys get this clear, guys. The company handles everything. You're not repairing credit, and I'm not repairing credit, guys. $100 for a referral. When was the last time that you referred someone and got $100? So this is you, an agent with a protection plan. Let's say you get your first 3 customers, guys, that's $300. If you did that today, that's $300 a day. If you do that a week, that's $300 a week. Lord forbid that you do it a month. That's $300 a month. That can replace your car note. That can be a new car note. Whatever it is, it's extra income. Guys, since you have residual bills, you might as well have residual income. So not only do you get $100 up front, but you get $12 per month residual, guys. It is amazing. The goal here, guys, you want to strive for 5. So this is the game plan. I love this slide here. One of my favorite slides, guys. Let's say that you say that you're a busy person and you can get 5 referrals a month, guys. $500 per month. An extra $500 a month will change my zip code, honestly. Let's say you get better, 5 a week. Guys, that's $2,000 per month. Some of you guys, this will replace your current income, because you need to know, do you want to supplement your income or do you want to replace it altogether? That's the first question. What are you trying to accomplish? Guys, 10, it's called PPM, which means a protection plan membership. So we're just going to say 10 clients a week. Guys, that's $4,000 a month. Maybe you're like myself, where you're doing about 20 a week. Guys, that's over $100,000 a year. You know how many people dream of making 6 figures in a year? We actually have some folks that are actually doing that here in a month and here in a week as well. So the opportunity is just ridiculous, guys. But don't take it from me, guys. Take it from the first documented billionaire, J. Paul Getty. He said it's better to get 1% of 100 people's efforts rather than 100% of your own. So that's what I call leverage. That's what I call team building. Again, this is you. When you start off, you're an agent. So when you sign up your agent, you get paid $100. And then you rank up to what's called a field trainer, and then you get paid $160. guys. And then you senior field trainer, 240, so on and so forth, guys, 380. Just so you guys know, a sales director on our team makes anywhere between $4,000 to $6,000 a month extra. Could you imagine if you had a full-time job and you were doing this on the side and you brought home an extra $4,000 to $6,000 a month? How amazing that would be. Guys, we get paid to unlimited levels. As I told you, I am a vice president with the company. So let's say that I sponsored you today. I would make $500, guys. It's ridiculous. I would make $500. But let's say that you brought on, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 agents. I would make 400 times 9. And you would make, $900, so 100 times 9, but I would make 400 times 9. Guys, this is paid to unlimited levels. This is ridiculous. When you guys can see the potential of how much money that can be made here, guys, is really ridiculous. So as you can see here, we are in St. Louis, Missouri. Let's say that we have a sales director here, which we do. Let's say you have a couple of agents and 3 field trainers on your team. Guys, you would be looking at a total of $5,000 in total cash bonuses. Now, this is something that can happen once a week or once a month, but it's definitely up to you. The goal here, guys, you want to strive for 5. Here's why. Once you refer your first 5 agents or 5 clients or a combination of both, this will offset your monthly payment. So this, for me, I look at this as a 5-year plan. So look at this. Year 5, guys, you got 19,530 memberships on your team. Now, some people are doing this way much faster, guys, than 5 years. Trust me. Guys, you would be, if you did this, now, of course, this is you get 5 and you help everybody else get their 5. Of course, this is just just an illustration. Sure, yours may not happen like this. Some people might get less than 5. Some people might get more than 5. But let's say that it did happen where everybody got 5. Guys, you'll be looking at about $75,000 a month residual. I know I just lost most of you guys with that figure, but just trust me, this is chump change to what some of our top producers are making here with the company. If I was 10% correctly, guys, you'd be looking at about $7,500 a month. Most people don't even make $7,500 a month, let alone knowing that you can build a business on the side. You can start part-time initially and then, take it full-time. If I was only 1% correct, guys, you guys would be looking at an extra $750 per month. Trust me, people would still be happy for an extra $750 a month, guys. This is, the best opportunity that I have seen. On top of that, we have something called an infinity bonus, guys. So if you look at my rank, I'm a vice president. I get 1.5% of my, the volume generated in sales from my team. So I'm looking at a minimum of $1,500 a month extra on top of everything that we get compensated. We have a few people that just broke regional vice president, so they're looking at $4,300, guys. $10,000, $22,000 bonus, guys. $62,000. Just so you guys know, we do have individuals at the senior regional vice president level. We currently have about 3 of them now. $62,500, guys, that they're getting once a month in bonuses. When was the last time that your job or place of employment paid you bonuses like this, guys? Now, I gotta take a moment to breathe because this is amazing right here, guys. We have what's called an R&R club, guys, rest and relaxation. I'm telling you guys, if you guys were not sold on everything else, this is a slide right here, guys. $600 monthly auto payment, Audi, Mercedes, or Cadillac. You pick, and the company will make the payments for you. So I am at this level. I'm actually setting a date so I can go out and pick out my vehicle so that my team members can fly in so we can celebrate together. We actually have a few more team members that will be getting theirs as well. I'm thinking about getting an Audi A8L, so I'm still indecisive a little bit, but we'll see. That's about an $85,000 car that the company will be making the monthly payments for. Guys, it's just amazing here, guys. I'm almost at this $10,000 bonus, which is just amazing. I'm thinking about doing a retreat with the team and just spend this whole $10,000 back to the team so that we can, just have fun, because people are really working hard towards, to change your family's life and legacy. Level 3, guys, as you can see, guys, you can add another vehicle up to $1,500 monthly Audi payment, guys. Level 4 is a one-time $25,000 cash bonus. Level 5 is a $50,000 cash bonus and a Bentley. If you don't like a Bentley, you still got to get a Bentley. You can't say no to a free car, guys. Then level 6 through 10, guys, you got the house payment, guys. You might as well call this a mansion payment, guys. $5,000 monthly mansion payment. Where would you live? Guys, it's just ridiculous. And the company will actually match you up to $25,000 of a monthly retirement bonus, a vehicle of your choice. So which means 401k, IRA, you know, whatever you pick. I don't know too many companies that's matching you up to $25,000 per month, guys. And you get lifetime bonuses. This is the Audi Club. Of course, they couldn't fit everyone on there because I don't even know where they will put me at. But as you can see, it's just piling up, guys. Just so you guys know, the R&R Club is worth well over $3 million, guys, annually. So let me show you guys what you'll get access to. You definitely get training and support. So you get online training, conference call training, local training, regional training. So what we're doing here, guys, is an online training. And here, you know, in St. Louis, we have weekly trainings every Tuesday. And we have regional and national trainings. So let me show you guys what some of the people on the field are saying about this. Check out this couple here. They're actually real estate brokers, and they depending on closings. And sometimes they have to wait for weeks, even months, which cause stress. And guys, they made this a full-time career. They're now what's called executive vice president with the company and R&R Club members. Warren here, who is a business owner, he was actually watching, guys, his income go back and forth due to a change in the industry. Guys, look what he said. He applied to training combined with hard work, which led him to my rank. He's a vice president and R&R Club member, just like myself. So he says with this amount of money, his future is no longer a concern. Check out David Moon. He said he was actually a radio broadcaster, although that might sound good, but he was actually struggling. Again, so he applied the system and went to work. He's what's called regional vice president, which is my next rank here. He says he finally got his dreams back. Guys, again, this is not for everyone, but please do thank the person that had the guts to invite you to this opportunity. Just let them know. Please just get back to him. Just let them know if you're 1, 2, or 3. You know what, legend? I actually have excellent credit. You know, all my affairs are in order, and I have an amazing career going on. However, I can give you some leads and referrals. That's awesome. Thank you so much. That is all we asked for. Maybe you are too. You know what, legend? I'm actually interested in getting my credit repaired. That's awesome. We can definitely assist you. Maybe you're like myself and some of the other agents on the line. You know what, legend? I'm interested in getting my credit repaired and making money. I just need a game plan on how to get started, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Guys, it's actually $288 one-time investment to get started. Let me show you what that includes. It's your one-time agency setup fee of $199 and $89 a month to get started. This is what you get, guys. Guys, look. We'll teach you guys how to use social media to build your business, how to establish corporate accounts, how to actually sell these membership plans, how to maximize the comp plan, how to build a huge team, and how to become a successful leader, guys. You get access to this, guys. You get a personalized website. You get an online tracking system where you can track every sale. You get the best agent and customer support that I have seen. Guys, weekly pay and tax advantages, guys. It's amazing. You can get paid with a check or direct deposit, whatever you pick. Again, it's $89 a month, but as an agent, you get $100,000 life insurance with no medical exams. And once you refer your first 5 agents, your services are free. So just so you guys know about me, I only paid the $288 once. I never had an $89 payment, and over 82% of our team have done the same. No one is paying monthly. The goal is to expose, develop sales, get corporate accounts. Guys, who do you know with less than perfect credit? Everybody. It should be just about every other person. You know, who wants to become free? Everybody wants to become free. So this is how you expose, guys. This is you. You have trust and rapport with your people. You bring your people to these amazing conference calls, because that we have respect and credibility, and we will help help get you guys to the next level. So just a quick recap, your level of interest, providing referrals, become a customer, become an agent and a customer. So I just wanted to welcome you guys to this opportunity. Just give me one last moment. So I just thought I would share one last thing with you guys, and then I can take questions. Guys, this is what got me excited. Now watch this. It's $100, guys. We had someone that signed up. They passed out 5,000 flyers their first week. 200 people signed up just by them passing out flyers without a team members, guys. 200 times 100, guys. They made $20,000. I'm not here to give you guys an income claim. I'm telling you straight facts. They made $20,000 their first week into the company with no team members. So this is how you can build it without a team, guys. Now watch this. Keep in mind, the same 200 people times $12 per month residual, that yields $2,400, guys, and residual. $2,400 a month. So this $20,000 was just a one-time, and then $2,400 a month residual, guys. This is huge. Now, for my team builders, I just need a couple more minutes of your time. Now, watch this here. I just want to show you what to do. This is the game plan. Let me show you guys exactly what to do so you know what to do. This is you, and this is me. I'm a VP with the company. When you sign up, I get paid $500. I know you're trying to understand how come you pay $288 and I get paid $500. Trust me, you will get it later. Just think of the company basically paying me in advance to basically mentor you and to train you, which I will do. So you brought on this is you signing up as an agent. The most you can make is $100. So I just wanted to paint this picture for you guys. Let's say you sign up Sam, your best friend. When you sign up Sam, the most you can make is $100. Well, guess what happened? I just made $400. I don't even know Sam, but I'm going to train you so you can train Sam so we can train Sam. You brought on Bill. You make $100. I make another $400. I'm just showing you guys what a day is like in the life of a vice president so that you can aspire to get to that. Guys, $1,300 made, and I don't even know Sam or Bill at all. Now watch this. Because you just brought on Sam and Bill, you're what's called a field trainer. So what the field trainer means is that you just got a $60 pay raise. So you went from earning $100, you went from earning $100 for bringing on agents, and now you got a $60 pay raise. Not 60 cents like most jobs do, guys. It's $60. So just so you guys know what that means, the goal is to break field trainers. The person with the most field trainers in this company will make the most money. So watch this. Sam brings on Tom because he wants to go field trainer. Well, you got to understand, Sam is an agent. Most Sam can make is 100. Guess what? You start overriding. See, your position pays out 160, so Sam only got 100. The difference has to go to you. But now my position, keep in mind, pays 500, so you take 500 minus this 160. I'm getting paid 340, and I don't even know Tom. Probably may never meet him. Sam brings on Jerry. You make 100. So Sam makes this 100. You make the 60. I make another 340. Again, I don't even know Jerry. Guess what Bill's going to do? Bill's going to go out and become a field trainer. Everybody wants to become a field trainer because that's the first level. You want to rank up. You want to advance because every single person pays the same $288. So why would you want to leave money on the table by not ranking up, advancing? The goal here, you want to get your 5, but this is what we recommend, 2 agents and 3 customers. The 2 agents because it helps you rank up to the next level. The 3 customers just because. When Bill signs on Kima, Bill gets 100. Guess what? You get another 60. I get another 340. Bill brings on Ben. Bill makes 100. You get another 60. I get another 340. That's 340 here. Because I know the math, that's 1360 plus this 1300 right here. Can't forget that. I want all of my money. Guys, that's $2,660. Look at how many agents are in for me to make that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 agents are in. Now, let's count your money. You got 60 times 4. So that's 240 plus the $200 here. That's 440. You just made 440. But all you... I don't know who... Sorry about that. I don't know who unmuted themselves. But that's 440 that you just made, but you only introduced the business to 2 people. Guys, it's amazing. Now watch this. Lastly here. Watch this here, guys. So I'm at 2660 because Sam bought Tom and Jerry. Hope you guys can see this right. Because Sam bought Tom and Jerry. Make sure you guys can see this. So let me share it again. My apologies. So because he bought Tom and Jerry, I just wanted to use a different color. Sam is a field trainer. Bill bought Kima and Ben. Bill is a field trainer. Guess what happens? When you have 2 field trainers on your team, you're what's called senior field trainer, which means now you get paid $240. To put that into perspective, again, this is you. Let's say that you bring on, let's just say Sue. You bring on Sue. You would make $240 because Sue is personally enrolled by you. So that means you make $240. But Sue would do the exact same thing. So Sue brings on Joe. Everybody wants to get the field trainer. Sue brings on Joe. Sue makes her first 100, but guess what happens? Sue can only get paid 100 because she's an agent, but your position pays out 240. So now 140 goes to you. Look at that residual. This is why you want a team build. Now, guess what? 500 minus 240 is 260. I may never even meet Sue. I just got paid 260, which is why we want to train and to develop everyone. You want everyone to be trained. Everyone has, have to be presenters. The more presenters you have on your team, the more money you can make, the more people you can leverage. Now, watch this. Sue brings on Bobby. Sue gets paid 100. Another 140 goes to you. Another 260 goes to me. Guys, guess what? You are only one of my agent. We have over 600 agents on the team. I'm just trying to show you guys what's possible with one. Now, I'm coming to an end, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Because you have Sue as a field trainer, Bill as a field trainer, Sam as a field trainer, you just ranked up to one of the best positions in the company, one of the prestigious companies, prestigious positions, forgive me, sales director, which means now you're getting paid $380 per agent that you bring on. So let me show you guys exactly what that means, because I like to put stuff into perspective. When I first got to sales director, which means if I signed you up, I make $380, and the person one agent I signed up actually brought on 10 agents that week. So he got paid 10 times 100. So he got paid 1,000, but guess what I got paid? I got paid 10 times 280, because you got to subtract, 100 from the 380 for him. And so I got paid 2,800, 2,800 plus the 380. And this is all from one agent. So I had my first, check over $3,000 in a week, and I almost had a heart attack because so I went and see exactly what I did to get paid that amount, and then I just duplicated that ever since. And so as a vice president, we make anywhere between $15,000 to $25,000 a month. Now you have people that are making way more than that at that position. So just to wrap this up, after that you have what's called a regional sales director, which gets paid $430, and then you have executive sales director, which get paid $475. And then you have myself, which is a VP, you get paid $500. Now, just so you guys know, I'm not at the top of the company yet. It might look like it because of how we are being compensated, but there are a lot more levels, above me. So I just wanted to take the time to basically show you guys this amazing opportunity. And please do get back with the person that invited you to this amazing information.